Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lisa Mattias, Vice President, Capacity Building and Innovation at the Information and Communications Technology Council. ICTC is a neutral, not for profit national center of expertise, and we're focused on advancing Canada's digital economy by supporting businesses and business leaders with the tools, skills, talent, and support they need for innovation and competitiveness. With funding from the Government of Canada, our goal for over 30 years has been to help businesses use technology to drive economic growth. Today, we're continuing our online generative AI training series, and this one's called AI and Data Driven Decision Making Harnessing the Power of Predictive Analytics, which is presented by ICTC in collaboration with Microsoft. In our data centric world, the ability to analyze large data sets effectively is more important than ever. Through this training initiative, we're committed to equipping Canadian businesses with the skills needed to harness AI for strategic decision making and competitive advantage. AI driven analytics can transform raw data into valuable business insights, enabling organizations to anticipate trends, optimize strategies, and improve decision making processes. This session will explore how AI powered predictive analytics can help businesses leverage data to drive innovation and efficiency. Without further ado, I'm pleased to introduce our session leader, Cree Govender, SMB area leader for Microsoft Canada, who will guide us through today's training. Thank you, Cree. Over to you.
Let's face it, in today's world, gut instinct is no longer enough. We're flying through a storm of information where the pace of change is absolutely dizzying. And yesterday's best guess? Well, that's today's blind spot. But what if we had a co pilot behind us? Not just to steer the ship, but to illuminate the path ahead. What if decisions weren't based on hunches and insights, but on patterns, predictability, and possibility? In this fast moving digital economy, data is the fuel, but insight is the engine, and Copilot is the navigation system that helps us make smarter, faster, and more confident decisions. Today, we'll explore how Copilot isn't just another AI tool, it's a thinking partner, a business whisperer, and a strategy accelerator. I'm Cree Govender, the SMB leader here at Microsoft Canada, and I started my career 25 years ago in the space of data and AI, and I'm excited to share with you just how far we've come. So buckle up. We're about to take a look at how AI and data and human intuition can unlock a new era of business strategy, where the guesswork fades and the clarity begins. Before we jump in, let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're navigating through a dense fog on a high-speed train. You know there's a destination ahead: growth, innovation, competitive edge. But the tracks curve sharply, the landscape shifts constantly, and visibility is low. For years, many of us have made decisions in that fog, relying on rearview mirrors, trusting instinct over insight. But something's got to change. Today, we're entering an era where the fog begins to lift, where decisions are no longer based on fragmented data or guesswork. In our time together, we'll unpack the story of what it truly means to be data driven in a world that won't slow for us. We'll explore how AI and predictive analytics are transforming the way we think, plan, and lead, and how Copilot isn't just showing us what's happened, but really what comes next. By the end of our journey today, my hope is you'll walk away not just with tools, but with a new lens, a new way to see your business, your customers, and your future. We'll explore how to harness the power of AI to transform raw data into clear, actionable insights that drive business performance. You'll learn practical ways to integrate AI into your everyday decision making, not as a buzzword, but as a real operational advantage. And we'll dive into the world of predictive analytics, showing you how to move from reacting to anticipating, spotting trends before they emerge, and shaping strategy with confidence. Data-driven decision-making involves using data to guide business choices. This approach is increasingly vital in modern business as organizations strive for greater efficiency and effectiveness. As I was building out this deck, I began to think about what would I see as a good application for AI and what would I do with it. It all starts with an idea and how one would go about turning this into reality. Over the course of the slides, I will share with you distinct options so you can turn an idea into reality. But first, let's focus on me for a little bit and what I would do with AI. I've been supporting Liverpool since I was 8 years old enough to then remember their last title win after a barren run of 30 years, which followed. As a passionate football enthusiast and tech evangelist, the intersection of sports and artificial intelligence captivated me. With that spawned an idea on how data and AI could help find patterns that were not obvious to the human mind and help with predicting outcomes with greater accuracy. This idea turned into reality, and after a 30-year wait, Liverpool clinched the Premier League title in 2020, marking a significant milestone for the club, its supporters like me, but critically technology. This was not just a triumph on the pitch, but also a testament to the transformative power of data and technology in modern sports. Today's football is deeply intertwined with data, from tracking players' lactate thresholds and VO2 max to monitoring heart rates. Teams collect extensive biometric data and they optimize this to prevent injuries. This data-driven approach enables sports scientists to predict peak outcome periods and tailor training and nutrition plans accordingly. This fusion of passion and technology exemplifies how AI-fueled data can deliver some very compelling experiences and some exciting sporting moments too. In today's world, numbers don't just tell a story, they drive it forward. Quantitative data is the compass organizations rely on to evaluate performance and steer strategy with precision. From sales figures and customer sentiment to shifting market trends, the most successful businesses don't guess, they analyze. When decisions are rooted in data-driven insights, they become smarter, faster, and ultimately more impactful. Over time, this discipline doesn't just shape better outcomes, it shapes better organizations. When data is used effectively, it transforms the decision making from a guessing game into a strategic advantage. It empowers businesses to act quickly and confidently, making informed choices at speed. By harnessing data, organizations can streamline operations, cut unnecessary costs, and boost efficiency across the board. But beyond efficiency, data is a catalyst for innovation, uncovering hidden patterns, surfacing customer needs, and inspiring the development of new products and services that truly resonate. In a crowded market, those who master the art of data really do stand apart, not just surviving, but thriving with a clear competitive advantage. Data and AI are no longer areas of experimentation. They are strategic imperatives, and in today's shape-shifting world, there is no longer anything that deals with competitive advantage, but it is more about the instances, even where the very survival of an organization is so deeply connected to the strategic imperatives that one undertakes. On screen, you will see two powerful statements from CEOs at DBS Bank as well as the Royal Bank of Canada, underlining exactly the points I've just made. Harnessing this power enables organizations not just to survive, but once again, to truly thrive. Whilst data and AI is the number one investment for leaders, they struggle to maximize the ROI, with 80% indicating that there are challenges with becoming mature data users and 55% indicating that data silos and data management are key impediments along their journey. For any organization to truly transform through AI, the shift must be led from the top, starting with the CEO. This isn't just a technology upgrade, It's a cultural and strategic pivot that demands executive ownership and clear direction. Take the example of a bank, one of society's most trusted institutions. As it embarks on its AI journey, the first step must be to clearly define how AI will be used, and just as importantly, how it won't. Ethical principles, data privacy, and security cannot be afterthoughts. They must be at the heart of this transformation. These commitments reinforce the trust that customers and employees place in the institution. At Microsoft, we not only have our own responsible AI framework, we're actively helping customers build theirs. As AI is adopted more deeply, employees can begin shifting away from repetitive, low value tasks and focus instead on what matters most, delivering rich customer experiences and nurturing relationships that drive long term loyalty. But transformation isn't just about tools, it's also about new capabilities. One critical area is data acquisition. As banks purchase or license external assets, they must be able to ensure that this data is consumable and accessible across the organization, turning information into insight and critically insight into action. This journey will also shine a light on long-standing challenges, such as data silos. To unlock true value, organizations must build the foundations first. Finally, no AI strategy is complete without a plan to build internal capability. In today's climate, there's a war for talent, and growing AI expertise is a competitive advantage. Whether you're looking to upskill your teams, attract top talent, or partner strategically, Microsoft can help you every step of the way. AI and predictive analytics play a crucial role in enhancing decision-making capabilities by providing strategic insights that drive strategic planning and operational efficiency. Let's look a bit deeper into what this really means. Artificial intelligence is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's here, reshaping how we work and make decisions. At its core, AI enables machines to take on the tasks that once relied solely on human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Now pair that with predictive analytics, which mines historic data to uncover patterns and anticipate future outcomes. And there you have a powerful formula for foresight. Together, AI and predictive analytics form a dynamic duo, giving businesses the clarity and confidence to make smarter, faster, and more strategic decisions, all grounded in data-driven insight. AI has the power to turn mountains of data into moments of insight, all in real time. By analyzing vast datasets instantly, AI enables businesses to make timely decisions based on what's happening now, not what happened last quarter. Its true strength lies in detecting patterns and trends that might go unnoticed by the human eye, allowing for sharper forecasts and better planning. The result? Actionable insights that fuel informed decisions and give businesses a strategic edge in an increasingly fast paced world. In the world of finance, AI is becoming a trusted advisor, especially when it comes to managing risk. By analyzing market trends and spotting early warning signs, AI helps predict potential losses before they happen. Beyond finance, businesses are leveraging AI for smarter customer segmentation, unlocking the ability to tailor making marketing strategies to distinct audiences with precision. And across industries, AI-powered predictive analytics are revolutionizing operations, driving efficiency, cutting costs, and helping organizations do more with less. Companies who survive the digital revolution will do so only by capturing critical information across software-infused products, operations, customer engagement, and employees through the digital feedback loop. The digital feedback loop breeds success by allowing companies to improve customer experience based on their continually evolving needs and innovate based on what customers really want. There are two parts. First, is capturing critical information across software-infused products, operations, customer engagement, and employees. Second is taking that digital feedback and driving it into the products and services you deliver. Let us show you one example of how a customer was using the digital feedback loop well. The potential impact of AI is really worth noting. Businesses can evaluate AI-powered tools and help analyze their best fit for their missions and can focus on ensuring AI outputs are fair and inclusive. They can also determine if AI-powered tools are reliable and safe to use in their setting. AI-powered tools should be secure, should respect individual privacy, and be understandable. The people developing the AI systems should be accountable for their outputs. These ideas are core to Microsoft's efforts to govern, enable, and use AI. And charities, as an example, can use these same principles to critically evaluate AI-powered tools in their classes. Microsoft Copilot has been touted as the UI for AI and has been embedded into our suite of offerings. However, Copilot is more than just a tool. It's a strategic partner in unlocking the power of predictive analytics. With intelligent, easy to use features, Copilot helps us navigate complex data, uncover meaningful insights, and make smarter, faster decisions that drive business success. Copilot harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to simplify data analysis, making it accessible to everyone, not just data scientists. With its intuitive interface, users can effortlessly uncover actionable insights without needing deep technical expertise. From spotting trends to building predictive models, Copilot empowers businesses to make confident, data-driven decisions that shape smarter strategies and build stronger outcomes. When integrated with existing business data systems, Copilot becomes a game changer, enabling seamless data retrieval and dramatically improving how information is accessed and used. This integration unlocks advanced analytics, helping teams surface insights faster and more effectively. By elevating business intelligence capabilities, Copilot empowers organizations to make smarter, data-driven decisions that drive performance, agility, and growth. Here's a nifty little prompt you can use. Now, you try it and see the result it returns. And while you're marveling over the wizardry that is Copilot, take a moment to think how long and how costly this would have been just a few short months ago. You now have a super skilled analyst just here at your fingertips, just a few keystrokes away. That is the power of Copilot, and that is the power of Microsoft democratizing access to technology. With Copilot, businesses can stay one step ahead, and sometimes multiple steps ahead, anticipating market trends with precision and planning strategically before change hits. In today's fast-moving landscape, this kind of foresight fuels adaptability, agility, and provides a competitive edge. Copilot taps into historical data to uncover patterns and surface emerging market trends, turning raw information into foresight. By offering a window into what's coming next, it equips businesses to anticipate change and pivot their strategies with absolute confidence. With Copilot's predictive insights, organizations can move from reactive to proactive, staying ahead of competitors and seizing opportunities before they fully emerge. By harnessing Copilot, businesses can generate highly accurate forecasts that fuel smarter strategic planning. These insights enable more efficient resource allocation, ensuring the right assets, teams, and investments are deployed where they matter most. With precise forecasting and optimized resource management, organizations are better positioned to hit their strategic goals with confidence and efficiency. In sales, we're often told to do our research to understand our customers, to dig deep. But what does that actually mean? For me, it starts here with this deceptively simple prompt. On the surface, it looks like a checklist, but in practice, it's actually a map, one that guides me through the landscape of a business, helping me find the story in the data. Every item on this list is a breadcrumb. It's how I earn the right to advise rather than sell. It's how I tailor conversations that resonate deeply. It's how I show up, not with a pitch, but with a perspective. Because when I walk into a meeting, knowing my customer's world, their pressures, and their potential, I'm not just another seller. I'm a partner in solving their business. And now with Copilot, I do this with ease in a matter of seconds rather than weeks of research and manual stitching. In a world where the pace of change is relentless and the competition never sleeps, AI tools like Copilot are not just a luxury, they are a lifeline. By transforming raw data into actionable insights, we give ourselves the power to predict, adapt, and lead. Predictive analytics enables us to make decisions with precision, seizing opportunities and driving growth when it matters most. In today's fast-moving market, data-driven decisions aren't just a strategic edge. They are the very foundation for long-term success and lasting impact. The potential impact of AI is worth noting. And as we come to the end of this session, you must be thinking about how do we do this responsibly? Businesses can evaluate AI-powered tools and help analyze their best fit for their missions and can focus on ensuring AI outputs are both fair and inclusive. They can also determine if AI-powered tools are reliable and safe to use in their setting. AI-powered tools should be secure, respect individual privacy, and be understandable. The people developing the AI systems should be accountable for these outputs. These ideas are an absolute core to Microsoft's efforts to govern, enable, and use AI, which is our public and documented commitment to responsible AI. With all this in mind, the future is unfolding now. And with Copilot, you have the tools to not just keep up, but to lead. It's time to harness the power of data and drive your organization towards the success it richly deserves. The question is, are you ready to take the first step?
Hey, just sent you the secret sauce recipe. Gonna need a gluten-free version before you leave. Thanks. Bye.
It's all good. Using Copilot.
Thank you for joining us today for this informative presentation on AI-driven decision-making and predictive analytics. We invite you to continue your learning journey by registering for the next session in this training series, AI for Talent Management and Productivity, taking place on May 8th. I invite you to scan the QR code on your screen right now to register for our next session and sign up for our free AI training initiative for business leaders in collaboration with Microsoft. This initiative is helping Canadian small and medium-sized businesses gain the skills and knowledge needed to harness the benefits of generative AI to help improve productivity, streamline operations, and drive growth. We look forward to seeing you at the next session. Thank you.